Hello, in this video I want to show you how to upgrade this old CCFL LG screen to our UB54 series LED kit. This kit comes from two LED strips and one LED converters. This is 15-inch screen, and this one's a little bit older screen, this is made by LG Philips LM151X2. Actually, it's 15.1-inch screen. It's using a TTL interface. This screen is quite old, but it's still using in some of the older jewel box or some of the older industrial control touchscreens. To move the screen, to move the old backlight lamp, it's not that difficult. First of all, on the front, you see there's two screws, one here, that holds a backlight reflectors. So first thing, we're gonna face up and remove these two screws, one here, one here. So after we remove it, we're gonna set it face down. Alright, and then try to tilt up a little bit, just pull this wire, and you have to apply a little bit more force to pull it out because this older screens, you're gonna, okay. This, you also have to loosen up the screw too. So, okay, now because I brand up, just here we go. This wire is damaged a little bit, but that's okay. We're gonna upgrade to LED anyway. One out, the other one do the same thing. Well, we should use a flat. Had to tilt up a little bit because there's a marks here. There we go. Much easier. Alright, two. As I said, this is an older screen. It's this screen, especially if you look at the reflector itself, inside is totally black. You see those coatings. It's been replaced a few times. This is one of the typical reflectors I want to show you. Let me get a newer one so I'll do a comparison. Well, I have one here, this is a newer one. You see inside there's a silver coating to make the reflection better for the CCFL. But you see this one, inside is becoming all dark color. Means that coating has been degraded. So every time, this is the classic example I want to show you. Every time you replace a CCFL, and this coating will be degraded a little bit. So especially typically after 3 times, you replace 3 times, the brightness level probably reduce 80% efficiency. So see, the screen like this is a bit older one, is still in use. It's definitely, I would suggest that consider the upgrade to LED, because LED, it really doesn't matter how dark it is, because this LED is what we call top view. The light sources come from here, not like the fluorescent lamp around the lamps. So that means it doesn't matter how dark it is, what the condition inside the coating is, you still get the pretty much efficiency brightness levels. Okay, so let's remove it. It's quite simple. You just open up this low voltage wire, tape it up, just cut it. Easiest way is just cut it. Okay, alright, cut it and loosen up this end. And this end too. Oops. So it looks like the plastic was rubber. It was melted for a little bit. Okay, we're gonna take it out. See, this one's the plastics, the rubber boots even melt off. It's melted down to stick to the reflectors. So I had to use the blade to cut it. As you know, when CCFL is on, the both end of the lamp gets extremely hot. so it melts down a. Alright, we take it out. Okay, see how dark it is? It's really dark, but that's okay. We're gonna upgrade the LED. We do the other. Repeat the same procedure for the other reflectors. Okay. Right. So the same thing, because we don't need it anymore. Just slice this plastic off, and the rubber boot off. Alright. Now we took it out already. See how black is it? So let me make a. Yeah. Alright. This is. Remove the tape. This is should be the top. This is the bottom. Okay. Now it's quite easy. We just again peel off this. Okay. Just tip in the center. This is a 15.1 inch, so you just, as long as you put it in the center, then you should be fine. Just put it in the center of the reflector. Push it down, push it down, push it down. Just make sure it stick to the old reflectors. Once done, just slice back. Alright, it's done. We do the other one. Okay, just put it in the middle. Maybe you can see. Oops. Yep, push it down. Make sure the LED kit has aluminum stick PCB has a good contact with the old reflectors. Right, and then just put it back. Alright, flip over, put the two screw back. And tighten up these two screws. And put the tips to just two wires. Make sure you don't bouncing back and damage the solder joint on the LED stick strips. Now you can put some aluminum foil to cover it if it's to prevent the light bleeding out. But this video I'm not going to show you. That's it. It's done. So we could test it. Okay, just connect to it. Do the converter, apply the power. Oh, see that? That's it. Thank you for watching.